What's up, you guys? Adrian Williams here, and inside of this video we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, how to get started with affiliate marketing, how to be great at affiliate marketing, and everything that you need to know to get started in affiliate marketing. So with that being said, you guys, let's dive into the video. Affiliate marketing is basically the sale of a product or services that someone else has offered, and you promote those products, and in exchange for promoting those products, you get paid commissions, residual commissions, or one-time commissions. Whichever programs that you decide to promote will determine if you get paid every month or once per purchase. So basically, affiliate marketing is really just finding a product that solves a problem for a person, and you get on social media and you write messages about the problems that that product serves. Okay, make your list of the problems that that product serves and start crafting posts around each of those problems that that product solves. And you're going to appeal to a mass of people who will be interested and message you wanting more information about that product. It's really not rocket science, guys. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a very long time, and I've had some great success with affiliate marketing. You also would need to be great at using social media. Okay, so like for example, Instagram. I post lifestyle pictures. I post my results. I post the books I read. I post little things based around affiliate marketing, and you have to stay targeted within that product. Okay, so you have to focus on nothing but just promoting your business. Focus on nothing but just getting the message out there about what your product or services solve. Okay, so all of these are posts about the results that other people have gotten, my struggles when I started, quotes, motivational messages, etc., for a person to check out my profile and be inspired to want to know more about what affiliate marketing is. And that's basically it. Okay, I created this little website right here. You want to be able to build websites, and it's really not rocket science, guys. You don't have to use any type of computer science to be able to do this. It's drag and drop. If you could just type out a headline, and put some pictures up, link a button, that's really it. Okay, I built this website in probably under 5-10 minutes. That's how long it took me to put this website together. And it's a really, really great website. I have a video up here that explains exactly how I'm generating a full-time income utilizing affiliate marketing and how it changed my life. I'm going to post a link to a blog article that I wrote also below this video, so you guys can check it out and get a more in-depth understanding about affiliate marketing so you can hit the ground and start running. So with that being said, you guys, basically, once again, affiliate marketing is just promoting products and services online. You're going to be posting the problems that these people are having. People have several different problems that they would like to solve. Some people want to be wealthy, have more money. Some people want better relationships. Okay, they want to have great relationships with their girlfriend or boyfriend. And some people just want to get in shape and be healthier. So join your affiliate program that has one of those issues that they can solve for people, and you start promoting that product or services, start generating your income. You're already on social media any day. Why not start getting paid for it? So with that being said, once again, be sure to subscribe to this video, because I'm going to be uploading more videos about this and talking about how you can further expand your education with affiliate marketing, and just in general, learning how to generate an income online using your laptop or cell phone. That being said, once again, you guys, I'm Adrian Williams. Thanks for checking out this video. I'll catch you on the next. Peace.